Hey guys, today I wanted to show you a new project that I'm doing. I'm making candy lollipop holders for the kids for school. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click into new project, and then I'm going to upload my file, and I'm going to upload my image. I'm going to browse through I'm going to go into my downloads. So I bought this file, which I will show you once let's see. Oops, that's not the one. Where is it? Halloween lollipop right here. Let's do single-sided. So I'm going to upload my SVG file. Let's see which one I'm going to do. Let's do the witch. And we're going to name that witch single-sided lollipop. Upload. And then I'm going to upload my next file. And let's do the Dracula SVG. And then let's do so I did the Dracula. Let's do the Frankenstein. Upload. Whoops. And then what the heck? What just happened here? And then I'm going to upload. I think there's one more. Halloween. You can do double-sided too, but I figured the lollipop one-sided is fine. You don't need two-sided. Let's do the ghost. Single-sided. There you go. And I think there's one more. Single-sided. Ghost. The gnome. And the gnome with witch hat. Let's do the gnome with witch hat. And then there's a witch, and that's it. Okay, so let's do the gnome with the witch hat. Go, upload. So once I uploaded all my files, I can click into them and add them all to my canvas, like so. And I think there's another one that I just totally forgot to add. Nope, that's it. Okay. So they're already pre-sized and everything for you. And now what we're going to do is we're going to zoom out. And then I'm going to duplicate that. So let's So there's 12 of them. There you go. So there's 12 of them. Then I'm going to click make it. And from my mat. And this is how it would look like cut out. So this is the white, all the blacks, then the other colors. So it's all colored out for you. But because my paper is not a full size, it would have to be like this. And then I'm going to cut this out, and then I will show you guys how to assemble it after. Stay tuned.